Hello everyone, this is Lifestyle Gardener. This is part 2 of me preparing the pepper plants indoors for the winter. I take the egg carton from the grocery store and I have 3 of them, and I break it up in small pieces to put it in the grow bag so I don't have to put too much soil, and that way as I water the plants, they'll break down naturally. That's one of the things that I did with some of my grow bags that I growed in the garden bed, and it seemed to work really well. So after doing that, I take the water and I water the cartons a little bit. That will help it to get a head start to break down sooner. Then I put the pepper plants inside and I fill it up with the soil. So this is the product that I was talking about. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name because I might pronounce it wrong. I'm not good with pronouncing some names sometime. So you can pause the video and look what it say on the package, and I will show you what it looks like inside. So inside the bottles are hundreds of tiny little eggs, and inside the eggs gonna hatch insect that will naturally kill any kind of insect that laid their eggs inside the soil, and that will help reduce any pests from taking over your home indoors or outdoors. Even though it say you're supposed to use it for outdoors, you can also use it indoors also. This is something that's natural. It's not a chemical base. It's not gonna hurt your plants. It's not gonna hurt you or anything like that. These pests that you see that get hatched, you won't be able to see them with your natural eyes. So I sprinkle it on top of the soil and the container, and then afterwards I sprinkle some soil above it, not too much, and then you're supposed to water it in. But these container I just recently brought them inside after it been raining all day, so there was no need for me to water it. According to the instruction on the package, you need to water the container for 3 days straight for the eggs to hatch, because it needs to be moist. But because it rained so much, I did not need to water them. So the containers, I put a black garbage bag underneath it, just in case if any water was leaking. I'm not gonna keep these containers on the floor. Behind me, I'm going to put it there, and I'm gonna put grow lights there eventually, and I will show you that part in part 3. But for now, I'm gonna keep it on the floor and use grow lights to help them out. Alright everyone, I'll talk to you another day. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.